to go. O'Nil puts it on the floor and stops, and he brought it down. He brought the whole goal down.
Goodness. Oh, boy. Oh, man. Well, I'm just glad he wasn't hurt that time. I mean, that thing came straight down.
He brought the whole thing down.
Oh, it broke off right on the fringe there, on the hinge there.
Unbelievable.
Oh, man.
He's done it in Phoenix. He's done it in the biggest media market in the world. Look at this. Unbelievable. There was a foul on the play, too, but that's sort of incidental.
Well, the foul was on Dwayne, so he'll get... But the problem is now, this is going to be another one of those 30, 40-minute delays, and when you have to get a plane, get back to Orlando, and play the Hawks tomorrow night, this is not good.
Look at this. The cameras, the microphones, all of the electronic equipment has been ripped apart. We got to take another look at this thing. This was even more powerful, I think, than the dunk in Phoenix.
Well, of course it was, but I think in both cases the basket has to have a problem with it. But
maybe it was some of the bricks we were shooting up and shoot around today.
You see the teams leaving the floor. There'll be a delay.
Yeah, let's take another look at this. We're going to be here a while, folks. 3 minutes to go, and watch this.
And you'll see the basket come straight down on his head here.
And he got out in a hurry. Oh, he's lucky. He is lucky that shot clock
very
right in the head.
Well, one thing that will help, though.